Good evening all. And here, so this is the Edu Skills. So our mentor is Father Saleen Joseph, as you all know. Father is a Cambridge certified teacher and he has a unique teaching style. And if you definitely follow the strategies and tips, whatever Father is teaching to us, you can crack the OET and for the aim for the grade A, and it will be help for your future. You have planned to develop your career, or you are going to do some studies or anything, whatever you are learning from the Father, this all helpful for you. So follow the strategies and tips from the Father. What are the daily activities in the Edu Skill platform? The Sunday, this is a prayer day, so there is no new activities, and we are not requesting you to do any new activities on that day. So that day you can use it for the revision, whatever you learned from the previous days. So do the revision on Sunday. Then the all other activities starting from Monday to Saturday. The day begins with a prayer by the prayer group members and followed by there is a reading and listening challenge. It will help to improve your reading and listening. And followed by there is a poll. So synonyms or grammar poll. Participate for the poll every day. Then there is a mentors hour every day, 12 noon to 1 p.m. Indian Standard Time. All the activities in the Edu Skill platform is in the Indian Standard Time. This mentors hour, you can ask any doubt or you want to confirm, you want to speak with the Father or anything, whatever it is related to the OET, you can leave message on that mentors hour. The admins will collect your queries and we will inform to the Father. The upcoming Zoom sessions, Father will clarify your doubt. And there is one more thing. During this time, do not post any learning experiences or any other queries, except you want to ask anything for the Father. That's only allowed for this 1 hour. Because these things we are informing to the batches many times. Do not post any learning. This one we are telling many times in the group, do not share any learning experience during this time, but you are not following. Then there is a admin hour 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. If you want to ask anything to the admins, you can leave a message on the main platform. Then the empowerment hour for if you wish to participate in the group discussion or you wish to do any activities for the groups or anything. If you have doubts, you can ask to the 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Moreover, between any except the mandate hour, anytime you can ask your queries related to the OET on the main platform. And there is one more thing. If Father posted something or in the pinned messages or important messages there, so that at least 30 minutes, the platform is free for that particular message and you are allowed to respond to that notice only. So please do not share any learning experiences or any queries. Do not ask any queries during that time also. Then the most important part in our platform is the daily discussion. This is every day at 8:30 p.m. This is leading by the Cutter support group. So all of you are requested to participate and join on the daily discussion. It will help to improve your knowledge and you will get an idea and as well as your speaking ability. And for the next day task will be posted after the discussion. For all the information and for the Zoom links, announcement, so you must go to the main platform, check for the pinned messages. So you will get 24 hours into 6 days opportunity to discuss and clarify your concerns, as I mentioned before. And live Zoom sessions start, it will be weekly schedule or instructions. It will be posted on the main platform. And there will be a YouTube live by our mentor and other resource person or YouTube live discussion by Edu Skill OET aspirants. If any of you wish to participate in a group discussion or YouTube live, don't hesitate to contact admin Father members or request on the Edu Skill main platform. So this is the instruction for the Zoom session. So after that, hereafter the Zoom session, we will not repeat what are the instructions for the Zoom session. So you have to obey. Check that your device name has changed to your name. If you are entering with the device name like iPhone, we will not allow to enter the Zoom session and you are considered as a scammer. And if you don't know, watch the video from the Edu Skills YouTube channel. So how to change the Zoom name. And the Zoom link will be posted half an hour before the session time. Unmute your audio. All of you are requested to mute the audio throughout the discussion. And you can unmute if asking some questions during the session. And those who have the background distraction, do not unmute the audio, but you are requested to unmute video. And if you are on the duty, or if you have some circumstances, you can't unmute the video, what you have to do, you have to inform in your group 1 day before. Because if you are informing the 10 minutes before the session or 20 minutes before the session, the admins may not able to get your names, because maybe that, and you are informing to one admin maybe 5 minutes before, 10 minutes, maybe that particular person on duty, or she is not able to contact to another admin, or they are that particular admin is not attending the Zoom session. So it's better to avoid the problem. So you have to inform 1 day before and share your learning experience. It's not like a pseudo response. Pseudo response means thank you, Father, for the beautiful session, or it was a great session. That is a pseudo response. We want the learning experience. Here is one example of learning experience, which I have taken from the YouTube comment space. And this is not full from that aspirant. It's only maybe half of what she wrote there. See, this is the learning experience we are expecting from you. Whatever you learned from the video, whatever you learned from the Zoom session, you wrote it there. You will not lost anything. You will get benefit from this thing, because reading and writing, this is also a skill. So whenever you are writing, it will feed on your brain. And if you post this learning experience on that video and in the main platform, so others can also see, these are the things today's class, or this is about the video. So they can also learn from this thing. So that's why we are telling you to share the learning experience. Some of you are sharing with handwritten. It's very hard to read. What you can do, see here you wrote for the learning experience in the YouTube comment space. Just copy and paste. It's on the main platform. Otherwise, just take a screenshot of this one, then post it in this one on the main platform. So no need to write twice. So these are the groups in our platform. Prayer group, there will be a prayer meeting on every Sunday with the presence of Father Saleen Joseph. And if you are interested, you can join there. And the discussion group, as I mentioned, Kata support group, they are the one who doing the discussion. It's at 8:30 p.m. An empowering group or active learners group. These people are willing to spend their time for the platform, and at the same time they are studying also. Then the Edu Skills application, you can access it's on the Play Store or Apple Store. There will be a video in the Edu Skills YouTube channel. You can watch that video before you are installing. And the link will be posted on the main platform. If you are interested to join any of these groups, please leave a message on the main platform, so admins will contact you. So this is about our Edu platform.